Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Esign and Flekstore. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This video is only for educational purposes. I do not promote any kinds of third-party apps that violate community guidelines, so do this at your own risk. In this video, we will find out which is the best side loader for iOS. Esign and Flekstore are both popular side loaders for iOS. If you want to install any kind of IP file on your iOS device, whether it's an iPhone or iPad OS, you need to sideload them. There are many side loaders, but Esign and Flekstore are among the most popular. However, I would suggest you use Flekstore instead of Esign, and I'll show you why. First, if you are going to use Esign, you might experience a lot of problems like unable to install, unable to verify Esign, or issues related to certificates. If you use free certificates on Esign, your iOS device might get revoked or even blacklisted. You can check various settings inside Esign, and while it offers an easy way to sign IP files, it's not very reliable. On the other hand, we have Flekstore, which is much easier and more reliable. Watch the full video to understand why. Flekstore allows sideloading without jailbreak. You can easily sign up and use it on your iOS device. As you can see, Flekstore is a user-friendly sideloading platform for iOS with an amazing app library available worldwide without regional restrictions. If you use this, you don't need any cables, computers, or jailbreak. If you have certificates, you can also use them here. You will even get premium access with certificates from Flekstore. It offers a lot of resources and many apps. Of course, if you have iOS 18 or iOS 18.5, some apps may not be compatible, but for most users with iOS 16, 17 or 15, you can use many apps from Flekstore. You just need to click on Sign Up to install it. After signing up, click on Device, where you will see options for certificates with premium access. To get these certificates, you need to purchase them. Flekstore offers one of the cheapest ways to obtain premium access or certificates. Additionally, they have a referral service where you can share your link with friends. If your friends purchase through your shared link, you will receive more benefits. There are also settings that allow you to switch between dark mode, light mode, and various color themes, so you can arrange it to your preference. You can also use the IP file signer by selecting an IP file you want to install. Simply click on Select IPA, choose your file, and you'll find the settings needed. After that, click on Sign Up and your application will be signed to your iOS device. If you use Flekstore, you won't experience problems like revokes, installation failures, or verification issues. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.